Okay, I'm testing out some new bulbs for the iLamp. This is the bulb that I've been using for the past 10 years and it has since been discontinued. I was pretty happy with this bulb. It looked pretty cool and I've got it in here right now. It's a 4100 Kelvin bulb, so it's a neutral white bulb. It makes the shade look pretty good. I tested out several other styles, color, temperature, and brightnesses, and I think the one I'm going to go with is this G25 5000 Kelvin bulb. It's about a 6 watt, 60 watt incandescent equivalent bulb. So we'll see the difference here. Take out the old bulb. These bulbs are discontinued, and this is the bulb that I've been pretty happy with all the ones that I've tested. It fills out the lamp a little bit better inside the harp there, being a bigger bulb. And then you can see when we turn it on, it is also quite a bit brighter, and it's a cleaner, whiter light, so it really makes the shade on the lamp look really good. Shut the light off over here, and the white balance on the phone's doing some funky stuff, but you can see that looks really sharp. So that's the new bulb in the lamps, starting now.